welcome back or welcome to my channel if you're new. I'm JaMya. So in today's video, as you have read by the title, I'm showing you guys a much more updated version on how I do my wash days from start to finish. Since I dyed my hair, it's been about a month, so a lot of things have changed. I've learned more about having my hair dyed, so I just want to show you guys the products I use, little techniques that I use, and all the good stuff. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm pretty much rinsing out the old product that I had built up in my hair first, trying to break down all of the old product. For my washing products, I like to use the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil line. I'm using their Strengthen and Restore shampoo, and it has shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar in it. This is also perfect for all natural hair types. It's also perfect for people who regularly color their hair, straighten their hair, or people who have relaxed or heated styled hair. So basically, this is a sulfate-free clarifying shampoo that helps remove buildup while also adding in moisture back into your hair. And it also helps for those who have damaged hair or colored hair to keep you from reducing breakage in your hair. So it allows you to strengthen your hair instead of about breaking down your hair. So basically, I just pretty much lather this and massage this throughout my scalp and then kind of work my way down. And then now, as you guys can tell, I'm pretty much just rinsing out the product. And if you guys aren't new to my channel, then I pretty much shampoo my hair twice just to make sure my hair is really cleansed. But as you guys can tell, my hair is looking really good, really nice, and really clean. So now I'm just going on to the second part of me actually shampooing my hair, which is pretty much the same process. So now I'm finished rinsing out my shampoo out of my hair. I'm just showing you guys how my hair looks, and honestly it looks really good, looks really clean, and it still looks really strong. My curl pattern is still there. So moving on to conditioner, I like to split my hair into 4 sections. And now I'm just going to go ahead and go into my conditioner, which is the Strengthening and Restore Conditioner by Shea Moisture once again. And I'm using a pretty good amount of this conditioner, which the texture is really smooth, really nice. I love the texture of this conditioner. And this conditioner pretty much is a strengthening conditioner that helps detangle and restore moisture without weighing down your hair. And as you guys can tell in this clip, you can really tell that the conditioner is actually working within my hair, working within my strands. And also with me detangling my hair, it really didn't take that long to detangle my hair because it works so well within my hair. And this is also perfect for colored hair, straightened hair, relaxed hair, all different types like I said before. And this pretty much leaves your hair feeling really shiny and really rejuvenated. And honestly, this helps strengthen like any damaged, brittle hair, and it also helps reduce breakage. And one thing that I have noticed when using both of these products, it also helps in hair growth. So if you guys are looking to grow your hair, then this is perfect for you. And I just want to take a moment to just recognize the curls. Like, look how good they just bounce back from me detangling. They look so good. So now I'm just pretty much twisting down this section and going on with the other 4 sections. I'm just applying this conditioner, detangling my hair, and I'm just twisting it up. And then I'm pretty much just gonna leave it in for maybe a minute or 2 and then pretty much just rinse it out and move on with my deep conditioner. But yeah, like I said before, I really feel like these have really helped me out a lot, especially when dyeing my hair. It just allows me to keep my hair strong and healthy as possible. So yeah, I really do recommend these products. So I just want to show you guys what my hair looked like after shampooing and conditioning my hair. My hair felt really soft and really smooth, but I'm still going to get into deep conditioning my hair. So I'm using the Camille Rose Fresh Honey Nectar Deep Conditioning Treatment. And this is a deep conditioner that helps soften, boost shine, and improve manageability. And this also adds in a whole lot of moisture back into my hair. And I use a pretty good amount of this product, and as you guys can tell, I'm just pretty much finger detangling throughout my hair. Another thing I wanted to mention is how well this product works well with my hair. As you guys can tell, it's just really instantly soaking into my hair. It allows me to finger detangle really well, and it keeps that moisture back into my hair, which is something that I love, especially now, even more when my hair is like colored. I really want to make sure that I have as much moisture in my hair as possible, just so my hair won't be breaking off or getting too dry or anything. But I just want to show you guys what the curls are looking like in the back. They're looking real cute too. We ain't forget about them. But yeah, now I'm just leaving it in for about an hour. So I'm just going to pin it up, do what I got to do in the shower, and I'm just basically going to rinse it out and then start on styling my hair. So moving on to styling, of course this is not what my hair looks like freshly out of the shower. I had my turban towel on for like hours, but moving on, I like to separate my hair into smaller sections. So I'm just going to work with this medium-sized section first. I'm just going to put up the rest of my hair. So for my styling products, I like to use the Eden Body Works Natural Curl Defining Cream and also the Eco Styler Coconut Oil Gel. So first I'm going in with the Eden Body Works Curl Defining Cream, and I'm really just applying a lot of this on my hair. I like to use a good amount first and just work that in throughout my hair. So this is a sulfate-free product that allows you to control your frizz, allows you to refine and define your curls, and it also allows you to get that extra moisture in and allows you to strengthen your hair as well. I pretty much apply a lot of this, like I said before, and now I'm just going to go into detangling my hair. And as you guys can tell, my curls like instantly just curled right up. Like, it looks so good with just using this product alone. So after detangling my hair, I'm just going to go ahead and split my hair in half. I just like my front section to look a little bit more defined, especially when using this gel. So moving forward, I'm using the Eco Styler Coconut Oil Gel. And this pretty much just adds a lot of definition, a lot of hold to my hair. It also gives my hair that medium hold, so it's not feeling too crunchy or it's not feeling too soft to where I have a whole lot of frizz, but it won't feel too hard as well, if that makes sense. But now I'm pretty much just finger coiling a few pieces just so I can get that extra definition that I like in my hair, especially in the front. Like I said before, I like my hair looking a little bit more defined in the front. So that's pretty much what I'm doing with this section, is just finger coiling a few pieces just to make sure I have that extra definition. Moving forward with the top section, I'm just adding in the gel just to make sure I have that extra hold that I like. And I'm also adding some to my edges just to kind of slick them back a little bit for right now. And as you guys can tell, my hair pretty much elongates, so I have to scrunch it up just to add in those curls, just to let them curls peek through a little bit. And that's another reason why I finger coil, because it just allows me to add in more definition to my hair. So this is what the first section looks like. I'm just moving forward with the next section. I'm just pretty much doing the same thing with adding the cream in, then detangling my hair, and I'm also adding the gel on top while finger coiling a few pieces, scrunching my hair up. So I'm on my last and final section, which is my top section. And like I said before, my hair pretty much elongates in the front. So as you guys can tell, I already added in my cream. So now I'm pretty much detangling my hair. And honestly, I'm detangling at the same time. I'm kind of like tapping my hair at the end to try to like scrunch it up a little bit. So I'm just adding in the gel and kind of doing the same thing with my hand. I'm kind of cupping my hair at the bottom just to add in the curls. I honestly don't know why my hair does that in the front, but this is the final look of my wet hair. My curls are looking really defined. They're very much moisturized and they smell so good. Like, my hair smells so good. That combo is like unmatched. Definitely go get you some of these products to try this in your hair. Alright you guys, so this is my day 2 hair. This is what my hair is looking like. It's giving very much defined, very much moisturized, very much volumized. Like, my hair looks so good. I love, love, love my hair. I haven't done a washing on forever, but this looks so bomb. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys give me a big thumbs up. Comment down below for more videos. If you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for all your love and support, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Ryan Little.